Alright, y'all. That's all she wrote. If you guys like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and smash bell for more videos, because your boy likes to hear from you. You know what I'm saying? It's like 30 degrees, and I'm all necked up. As always, guys, let me know, comment down below what you'd like to see next. As you guys saw, if you looked at the comments before, homie recommended coin drops next, so coin drops are done. Whatever you want, comment below. I might just get it done for you. Thanks so much for watching.
Love is love. Love is love.
I'm from the bay when we happy and go. I'm from the bay when we happy and go.